pilots are trying to get the warning out there that flying planes is only going to get more dangerous as this partial government shutdown continues to loom. According to Business Insider, the shutdown poses a threat to the safety, security, and efficiency of America's airspace. The Airline Pilots Association International sent a letter to President Trump Wednesday urging him to end the shutdown. The association, also known as ALPA, is a union that represents 61,000 pilots working for a host of airlines including Delta, United, JetBlue, and Alaska.